So you want to make money online, but you don't have a product, a website, or even a clue where to start. I've got something that covers all of that. And the best part is you can start completely free. So when I first started 3 years ago, I knew I wanted to earn online, but the tech and setup felt overwhelming. That's why I joined the Love Marketing Affiliate Program. I actually paid for their full bundle, but here's the secret. You don't even need to pay to start earning right now. They have a free basic affiliate program where you get instant access to over 750 digital products. Some are digital, some are physical, that you can share right away. So this is just an example. So this is my shop. As you can see, it says, welcome, you're shopping with Mom's Passive Income, right? You can see all the stuff that I have here. I can sell stuff, this $27 AI Mid-Journey book, Threads Unleashed, a Shopify theme if you want to set up a Shopify theme, her faceless Shopify, you want to do a Shopify, $148. This is a 60% commission, guys. So 60%, right? And you don't have to create any of these. So you can literally share this stuff all day long, right? These are all the products that you have. They're over like 750. Let's say you have faith. You want to share some things about faith. You can share some videos for social media. Let's say you have a faith-based business. You want to be able to have some of these. You want to sell some devotionals. You can sell these devotionals. All these are available. You sell these for $10. You get 60% commission. That is $6. You didn't have to create the website. The website looks like this. It's going to have the same information and it's completely free. Okay. So if you want to get into the paid program, the paid affiliate. So the only difference is that you're just going to get this. You're going to have to promote it yourself. There's really, it's all up to you to figure out how to promote it, but you get a beautiful Shopify store that's completely yours and you can do whatever, this is what you get. You don't have to worry about updating products. You don't have to worry about doing the things. This is yours. And what happens is you have a dashboard. Let me grab the dashboard really quick. It's here somewhere. You have a dashboard and this right here tells you, right? These are my unpaid commissions right now. You have your own login. That's your screen. You can give people a discount. You can go to product links and you can start sharing. Like, let's say you want to start sharing to teachers. This is, for me, I have 80%, and I'll explain how that one goes, but you would get 60%. Maybe you want an allowance tracker. You want to start sharing it with your friends. Maybe you're like in the mom niche, and you're like, hey, I'm going to start paying allowance to my kids. I want to go ahead and use this, but I also want to share it with all my other friends. You can actually get the link here, right? You're going to get the link. This is your own unique link, and you can shorten it, and then you can copy it, right? Going to click on copy. Then you're going to go over here and you're just going to click on, let me find my tabs over here. Let me go to another one because I have lots of things open. So we're going to go here. I'm going to go to an incognito window so you guys can see it. And this is what pops up. So that link that you have is your own link. So if somebody comes over here and they buy from this link, you get $6. That is 60% commission. Guys, the stuff is already here. It tells you exactly what it is. So you can put this into ChatGPT, this right here. Create your own little post. Like I would do it like this, right? I would go here and let me just open. Let's go over here and let's open. I can't move this. Oh, there we go. Let me move this over and I'm going to open ChatGPT and I'm going to create a new chat and I'm going to say, I want to sell this item. Can you please give me a post that will resonate with my target audience of busy moms or parents? Here's the details. And you're just going to copy and paste it, put that info there, and you're going to wait for ChatGPT. And it's going to give you a social post. Tired of chore battles at home? Let's be real. Nagging kids 47 times to please pick up their socks isn't anyone's idea of fun. That's why I created. And maybe you want it to be created, but you can say like, I found the allowance tracker for kids. Here's what's inside. Because you didn't create it. Somebody else did. But you can just say, I found the allowance tracker for kids. A simple tool that turns chores into choices. If you can make this, if you only want to focus on Pinterest, right? So let's go over here and we'll say, okay, I want to create a pin for Pinterest. Please give me an image idea and all of the information or details I need to post. Okay, you already gave all that information. So you want to go on Pinterest. So your Pinterest design, be bright, clean, family-friendly colors, a clipboard, a tablet, a binder with your allowance tracker, small icons of money jars. You go in and you can find something, you create something in Canva. Your text overlay allowance tracker for kids. Turn chores into paydays, right? And your Pinterest pin allowance tracker for kids, teach money skills, make chores fun. This is your description, your keywords, your hashtags, your link, and then which suggested boards. People are making a lot of money on Pinterest and not doing anything else. And this is how you do it, you guys. This is how you do it. You already have details that you can use, right? Let's say we go to, let's look at something else. A kid's joke book. This is super cute. You are in the mom life niche. This is something that's really cute because it's something you can use for your kids. I think there are coloring books. Let's go back up here and let's look and see if there are coloring books. You have 750 products, right? Mock-ups. This is to create a coloring book. You want to go into Canva. You want to create your own. You can create your own, right? And then look, when you have the page open, when somebody goes to your page, they're just scrolling. They're like, oh, there's these mock-ups. I need those too. There's 60 listings. There's these iPad table mock-ups. Those are pretty cool. And you just click on those. Boom. They can add that to their cart too. This is a great way for you to start selling products without having your own while you're working on all your other businesses, but you're making income at the same time. This is how I started. This is how you can start. It makes it super easy. Guys, you can go in and buy this stuff yourself and you don't get a commission on these, but you do get a discount on them. So I just want you to be aware of the things that are available to you. So if you're interested, I'm going to drop both links below. One is the free one. Now let me tell you the difference. Okay. So let's say you go in here. Let's go up here and I'm going to log in. Since I bought the premium, I have access to the affiliate training hub. So when you click over here, you pay $497 for this. It was not $497 when I started, but it is what it is, right? And so you have all of this stuff in here. Step 1, setting up your business, understanding the commissions, quick start, choose your adventure, events and replays, current promos. You get a freebie vault, understanding branding, content strategy. This is kind of cool because this gives you like your main content pillars, making income claims, showing you everything, how you should build your business.
We're going to talk about developing your perfect content strategy.
Let me see if I could go back.
Before you start posting,
like they give you beautiful marketing materials to market this business and market some of the products. You get some social posts. I haven't used a lot of this because I haven't been in here a while. But what I want you to understand is there are different ways that you can make money online. You don't have to create your own products right away. If you just want to start making money, this is a really great way to go because, guys, right now, I mean, what I really love about this, like, let's go in here really quick. The affiliate program, the one that is free, it's free, right? Like you wouldn't get 80% commission because that's what I get. You would get 60% commission. So let's look at this. Let's copy this. I always like to go incognito because let's just open it over here because I don't want to mess up my number counts or my view counts on my, for my affiliate marketing. So this is what you'd get. You'd come in here, you click on one, you'd type yes, add to cart, and you get access to all of these. You get 50% commissions on most digital products. So it's 50%. 10% for a thank you. So if let's say you refer somebody to start doing the same thing, you get 10% for all your tier affiliate sales. If you were in the MLM world, I was a long time ago, multi-level marketing, you understand that, you know, whenever you signed up someone to do the same thing, you got a tier. It's kind of that same process. I think it's just a thank you pay, which is really nice because you get it on all their sales. And then you're also cookied. You have a 365-day cookie window, which is really cool. So if let's say somebody goes to your page and they look at something that they don't buy, but then they go to somebody else's and they're promoting the same thing. If they go to that page and they see something they like and they go into check it out. They're cookied to that person. So you actually get the sale because you were the first one, as long as it's within that 365-day window. And the great thing is that in your dashboard, you'll see, I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like, but in the dashboard, because I have people in there, you get all the people who have come to your page and either purchased something or got something free. You get to keep those leads. So I get those leads, I put them into my system, and I start sending them emails. So it's a great way to start building your email list with products that you didn't create, you didn't make, you didn't spend your time doing. You're an affiliate for it. This is where affiliate programs are really great. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to put the links in here. This is a free program. It's free. All you have to do is learn how to market it. And I already showed you a few things. So we will do a little bit more marketing, how I show you guys how to do that. But this is a great way to have digital products that you could sell right now without having to wait to set up your funnel, set up your sales pages, create your product. They're already there. There are over 700 products. So here you go.